How the fuck in here? Tuck and roll and grab your hoe, I trap your hoe and fuck your hoe. Fredo in Mexico to grab all your hoes. I don't get time for you hoes, I ain't got get time for you no. I ain't got no nines for these bros, but I got time rounds and Rick and Rose. I got Rick Ross on your boss and I ain't tryna fucking post. I'm a big ass nigga, fuck your loss. I don't give a fuck about anything cost. I'ma tell you what you fucking about, but I'm about to make money and I talk. But you bitch fucking with a nigga, fucking what you thought. Ha! Fucking with them thoughts, boy. Fucking get you caught up, boy. I don't give a fuck if you got fucking K9 shots, boy. I'ma throw them tops, boy. I'ma throw them shots, boy. I'ma throw this cash money like these fucking strippers on the pole, boy. Huh? 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 I'm about to go in. This is fucking Michigan. You listening? I ain't even gonna fuck you representing. I'm taking out. I'm taking it. I'm fucking going in the court in. I'm fucking basketball Jordan. I say tonight I'm supporting, but bitch boys like gloating. I ain't got no man, but I don't really wanna build a snowman. But just trying to do no hand, trying to grab your hand, trying to understand who you the man, huh? Fuck this kind of man, got the snapback. I'm about to roll a red up on a sound pack. Y'all real niggas in here. That shit was bad.